Okay, number one, new rhythm every bar. So anytime you need to, just go back to counting it along with the metronome. In other words, just say it instead of playing it. And then just focus on the treble spots anytime you need to. I think the one thing we did last night was make sure you can go just play that highlighted part, and then we added the bar going backwards. You could also add a bar going forward if you need to. But as usual, from 60 to 120, definitely say out loud what you play. After 120, not a big deal if you don't. But it is totally fine to continue doing so. Here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and down. Remember to go easy on those upstrokes. Make sure they're put in the right spot, not being rushed. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 1, 2, and 2, 3, and 3, 4, and 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. So I mentioned that what this is saying here is basically you're spacing 2 chords out evenly across 3 beats. And you can see that more clearly here. There's your 1 chord, there's your 2nd chord, 1, 2, 3 beats. Basically this is like a beat and a half, beat and a half. And that just reminded me of something. So I should have marked it out as well. This is another way of notating the same thing. Dotted eighth, or not dotted eighth, dotted quarter note. Dotted quarter note, dotted quarter note. So quarter note plus an eighth note in length, that's what a dotted eighth note is. So 3 ways of looking at this. The way we've been doing it, a more confusing look, possibly less confusing. Yeah, different ways of looking at it. So yeah, either way, so beat and a half there. So a quarter note plus an eighth note is a beat and a half in length. Beat and a half in length there. So yeah, 1, 2 chords, evenly spaced across 1, 2, 3 beats. I will update this PDF so you can have it. Alright, there we go. Just gotta remember to send it to you. But yeah, the count is the same regardless of how this rhythm stuff looks. It's just 3 ways of looking at the exact same count. 60 beats per minute. 1. Remember, keep that hand moving the whole time. As you're about to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 1. And 4, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 1, and 4, 1, and 4, 1, and 4, done. 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Resist temptation to stop the motion. It does get challenging at faster speeds, but this is about ingraining very solid rhythm. So, even though it's getting fast, keep that hand moving, whether you're hitting the strings or not. Yeah, so any questions come up, let me know. I believe you're working on the notes for the major keys with flats in them. So to determine the root note of the... Wait a minute. Never mind. I'm thinking ahead. Forget what I was about to say. Yeah, just when you get the notes filled out, send it on over. I'll let you know how it looks. And yeah, if any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you next week.